Hello everyone, today I will tell you a story from the book. The story name is The Blue Kite. The Blue Kite. One day, Zippy the blue kite is flying high in the sky. Some birds fly past her. Zippy hears them choking. The kite in China are of such bright colors you can see them from far away, say duck. And they have so many different shapes, add a goose. Chinese kites are the best. Zippy looks at herself. She just She is just a square blue kite. The kite in China must be so much better than me, she thinks. I must see them. The next morning, Zippy takes off for China. The wise old owl sitting in the pine tree tells her how to get there. China is far, my dear. Fly east until you see the sea of grey whales, says the owl. Zippy flies for many days and many nights. She flies over tall mountains and thick forests. The Zippy finally fly over a deep blue sea. She sees something huge and grey in the water. It is a grey whale. Zippy knows Zippy knows she is now close to China. She sees the Great Wall of China winding over mountains and valleys. She sees giant pandas climbing tall bamboo trees. She is flying over China. Soon Zippy begins to see many colorful shapes in the sky. The kind in China really do look amazing. A huge yellow and red dragon kind flies towards Zippy. Behind her is a colorful butterfly kind. Kinds of many different shapes and colors are soon flying all around Zippy. But why are they all looking to her? You look so beautiful, blue kind, says the dragon kind. I wish I had a simple shape like you. You look so pretty, says the butterfly kind. The other kinds agreed. They all admire Zippy. Zippy looks at herself. She is lovely, blue kind, the deep blue sea. Her square shape is simple, but it makes her look elegant. And Zippy is strong too. She can fly all the way to China. Zippy feels proud of herself in China are amazing, but she looks amazing too. Okay, I I told you the content book of the XSEED, and I read the story of blue kite. So now I will explain you about the workbook, the blue kite. Reading a fantasy. Read the statement with true if the state is true, and F if the statement is false. Zippy did not fly to China. False. Zippy go to China and flew to China. The answer is false. The Chinese kinds were of different shapes. True. The Chinese kinds were in different shapes. Zippy do not like the kinds in China. False. Zippy liked the kinds in China. The wise old owl told Zippy how to get to China. True. The old wise owl told Zippy how to get to China. The yellow and red dragon kind through Zippy was beautiful. True. Read Read the paragraph from the story. The blue kite answered the questions. The other kites agree. They all admire Zippy. Zippy looks at herself. She is lovely blue like the deep blue sea. Her square shape is simple, but it makes her look beautiful is strong too. She can fly all the way to China. She feels proud of herself. The kind in China are amazing, but she is amazing too. Who admired Zippy? All the Chinese kinds admired Zippy. Question 2. Why does Zippy feel proud of herself? Zippy felt proud of herself when she realized how strong she was. What is the main idea of the paragraph? The Chinese kinds made Zippy understand and appreciate herself. Which of the following is the main message of the story? First option, you need to be strong to fly to China. Second option, you should be proud of who you are. Third option, you should admire others for their beauty. The second is the answer of the question. You should be proud of who you are is the main message of the story. Okay, lesson 2. Write 8 sentences to describe the character of Zippy. Use your own words and give example from the story to support your argument. Being your answer by saying who Zippy is and in with how you feel about her. Okay? Zippy is a square blue kind. She look simple, elegant. She flies all alone to China. Zippy is brave and strong. She thinks the Chinese kinds all are better than her. Zippy is humble and I really like her. Okay, lesson 3, parts of a sentence. Read the following sentence. Sort the words in each sentence under the correct column. TV writes a lot in her notebook. She buys a pencil regularly. She forgot to buy a pencil yesterday. She looked sadly at the beautiful white pages. Her mother bought her a new pencil. TV was happy. Okay, so you have to think the naming word, pronouns, doing word, describing word, and adverbs. Okay, this is only your work to think and write in your rough notebook. Okay, think fast. Okay, so naming words are TV, pencil, pages, notebook, and mother. Pronouns her and she. Doing words writes, buy, forget, looked, bought, was. And describing word lot, beautiful, white, new, and happy. Adverbs regularly, sadly. Question number 2. Complete each of the following sentence by writing a stable word from the clues given in brackets. I dash dash doing word. My birthday last week. Okay, tell the answer and write in your rough notebook fastly. Okay, so answer is had. I had my birthday last week. Here is a bracket means you have to write doing word here at the dash dash. My dash dash naming word came to the party. Okay, tell it. Okay, so answers friends. I'm sorry, I can't do it. Okay, the answer is friends. My friends came to the party. Okay, dash dash pronoun gave me many beautiful gifts. They. The answer is they. They gave me many beautiful gifts. Okay, I got a dash dash describing word to aeroplane, many, and here you have to write describing word. Okay, so answer of this. Okay, so answer of first dash dash is I got a big. Big is the answer. I got a big toy aeroplane, and the answer of this is many. Toy aeroplane and many books. I went to bed dash dash, and you have to write adverb. I went to bed happily. Okay, so choose one word from each column in question number 1 and write a sentence. Okay, you can write in your rough notebook and think fast for it. Okay, so I have wrote she bought a new notebook. Okay, now lesson 4 describing a picture. Look at the picture, use the words and sentence you noted and write a description of the picture in 5 sentences. Here are details about it. Okay, start with an explanation of what the whole picture is about. Describe the detail by using vivid words and by saying whether you like the picture. If you do like the picture, say that what it is you like about it. Okay, so think fast and write in your rough notebook your thinkings. Okay, so I wrote there are 3 people. The dog is beautiful and sleeping on grass. The picture the girl have pretty doll holding the heavy book. There is one big tree in the garden. The girl is sitting on chair. There is there are 2 more girls. The big tree is behind them. The sky is blue. Okay. Okay, so I have told all the answers and explained you about Exceed English Volume 1. Thank you. Like, subscribe our channel.